In this video, I will show you how to sign up to be an Airbnb host. So to get started, go ahead and open Airbnb on your browser. So in here, go ahead and sign into Airbnb. So click on this become a host and then select the type of property that you want to host and then click on the next button. So in here, you need to log into your account or sign up for an account. So you can go ahead and sign up with your Google account, Apple account, email account, or Facebook account. And then once you have created an account, this will redirect you into this page where you'll need to go ahead and set up your listing. So once you click on this create a new listing or continue with the listing that you have created, this will pop on your screen. So first you need to tell them about your place, share some basic info like where it is and how many guests can stay, make it stand out, add 5 or more photos plus a title and description that will help out for each of the photo. And lastly, you need to finish up and publish your listing. So choose a starting price, verify a few details, then publish your listing. And then once you click on that continue button, you can go ahead and continue setting up your listing on Airbnb. And that's basically how you can sign up to be an Airbnb host.